Daikon radish cake is a delicious dim sum dish. You can serve the steamed version as is or refrigerate it to make it into a stir-fry dish. About 20 years ago, I worked for a software development company in Markham, Ontario. Our technical writer was from Malaysia. I swear Tech knew every Asian restaurant in the Markham area, and trust me, there are a lot of them. We ate out for lunch at least 3 times a week. There was a congee restaurant that served spicy fried radish. This restaurant was my favorite. This is my attempt to recreate this delicious dish. So, let's cook. We will need for the cake 400 to 500 grams of shredded Daikon radish, 1 cup of fresh mung bean sprouts, 1/4 of a cup of chopped Chinese chives, 1 teaspoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of sambal oelek or other chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a few shakes of white pepper oil for cooking, salt to taste. For the batter we need 1 1/3 cups of rice flour, 2 cups of room temperature water, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon white pepper plus. First, wash and peel the Daikon radish. Shred into ribbons using a grater or food processor or vegetable peeler. In a bowl, mix the rice flour, salt, and water until well combined. Place the shredded daikon in a heated non-stick pan with oil and cook by stirring continuously to remove as much moisture as possible. Add in the batter and stir to cook it down into a thick paste. Then transfer the batter to a heat-safe bowl or loaf pan. Pat down the mixture to get a firm texture after steaming. Wrap the bowl or pan with aluminum foil to avoid water condensation from steaming. Steam for about 45 minutes over high heat. Test the batter using a cake tester. If the cake tester comes out clean, then the cake is ready. You can serve it as steamed daikon cake once it's cooled down. It is great paired with chili or hoisin sauce. I like to refrigerate it to harden it, then turn it out onto a clean chopping board and cut it into bite-sized cubes. Pan fry these cake cubes until golden brown on all sides. and set aside until ready to use. Use the same pan, add a little more oil, and saute the garlic. Add chili sauce to increase the spice level accordingly. Return the cake cubes back into the pan and season with soy sauce. Finally, toss in the bean sprouts and green onions and cook until tender. Turn off the heat and serve warm. I love it with a hot bowl of pork congee. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Leave a comment below. I ask you to please like, subscribe, and share so I can continue to provide more delicious recipes for you to try.